Do you feel scared to speak English? Many people feel this way. You may feel nervous. You may feel quiet. You worry about mistakes. You worry what people think. This makes you speak less. But you know many words. This is a common feeling. Do you feel this way? It is okay to feel shy. Many people feel shy. You have good English words, but you feel not strong inside. You worry about how you speak. You worry about new words. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. They make you better. Do you think mistakes are good? You can practice English alone. This is secret practice. Use your phone. Text with a robot friend. Speak to yourself. Read English books aloud. Say what you see. Record your voice. Listen to it. Watch short videos. This is easy. Do you like to practice alone? Start beginning a little. Talk on the phone first. No video. Find good friends. They help you. Speak in a small group. Everyone helps. Say one new sentence. Good job. Your English gets better. You can do it. Are you ready to speak a little? Many people learn English. Some feel very shy, but they speak well now. Think about Sophia. She speaks good English. She works on TV. She was shy too. Shyness is not a stop sign. You can do this. Your voice is strong. Do you believe this? Shyness is normal. Mistakes help you. You can practice alone. You can practice with friends. Your English gets good. You get new friends. You find new things. You feel strong. Your quiet way is good. You can speak English well. Are you ready to speak?